Hey guys, got a 2017 plate BMW X1 here. I'm just going to show you how to remove the driver's rear lamp. So first, we're going to go on this clip with a trim tool. You just need to pull that out. Then we just need to give a light pull on this trim cover, which will then uncover the 10mm nuts, two of them. So we get a 10mm socket on a ratchet, undo these two. Then on the side of the light it has a little clip, so we just give it a pull, and it'll slide out. Then attached to the light we have a connector, which we just give a little squeeze on that little tab there, and give a pull at the same time. And that's it, that's the light out.